be calling you and saying this. He needs some help making songs and he need a clue. You can't be sleeping on your level, boy, you gotta prove it. Even the greatest never doubted cause they knew they had it. You can't be sleeping on your level, boy, you gotta prove it. You can't be low key at the top, keep your fans chubby. And keep your fans chubby. And keep your head higher. On the lowest, on the bottom, keep your head higher. And keep your head higher. I like my niggas getting realer cause they parents too. I like my music playing louder like the coolest niggas. We still the only ones that do it for the passion too. Either they listen or they don't, it don't make a change. I took the pedal to the metal tryna get a taste. Although I find out that I'm different, but I know the way. I know a lot of sacrifices that them niggas did. A lot of tracks unreleased cause I bought it back. I took a stand for my niggas, now I know the way. My grandma told me you gotta pray, so I know the way. My grandma told me you gotta pray, so I know the way. Vuga samba sio wapenda foot. My enemies never get a busy kind of steps. They say that nigga gonna quit, you a best clown. I'm singing all this type of songs from another life. I'm standing with another shooter, nigga Maradona. I'm Maradona. Leave the puzzle with my enemies to figure out. I make them wonder how I do it. Do I really write it? Like all this pain on my songs, do I even know it? Do I even know it? Do I even know that I wake up on the drama too? Do I even know that I'm gon' beating speakers, beating windows, breaking doors, breaking everything and breaking all the shites? You know, I gotta silence all the noise, man, you know. I gotta focus on my art and putting what aside on me, you know. I ain't tryna sleep, you know. I gotta do it from the heart, I gotta do it for my people. I gotta do it for everyone that's thinking it's impossible. The same nigga that been doing it in different styles. This ain't a diss track, brother, this is part of life. You gotta listen to me carefully, I'm not a fool. Listen, you gotta listen, you know sometimes. You gotta listen, you know sometimes. You gotta listen, you learn sometimes. You gotta listen, it's better sometimes. You gotta listen, you gotta listen. You gotta listen, you know sometimes. You gotta listen, it's better sometimes. I got some stories that I wanna share, but now I flex. I was a student of the culture when I studied this. I saw some niggas tell the foes, couldn't rumble it. A lot of them ain't here today, cause we silenced them. Yeah, we silenced them. I deliver angry bars, it's a baby boy. I got it quicker than the king, rather stick with hustling. Man, all my patience never started, would wake up naked. I overheard another rapper calling it Bonani. It's time to get that discipline, boy, you need some cleansing. You need some fire and some hallelujah, yes you do. Listen, you gotta listen, you know sometimes. You gotta listen, you know sometimes. You gotta listen, you learn sometimes. You gotta listen, it's better sometimes. You gotta listen, you gotta listen. You gotta listen, you know sometimes. You gotta listen, it's better sometimes.